Yeah, hello, good day. This is very short and bold video I just want to do today. I saw in the news that Nigerian presidency has issued advisory against Nigerians traveling to America. Listen, the common citizens, this has nothing to do with you guys. Though I so much thank God that the stone is falling out from the top to the low, not like before where the stone is coming from the down. I mean the less common citizens of the country which are in Nigeria. But thank God this time around now it's affecting even those now, the politicians. I mean, you guys has been banned not to travel to America. Yes, there's no hiding place for you guys. You have to stay back home there and fight or face that which you have caused for the less privileged ones. Yes, if you're not a Fulani man, then be prepared for what you're going to face. I said it before, you've not seen nothing. The time you guys were having the opportunity to rectify things, you fail to do it. You were clapping out along with these illiterates that you call your leaders, which can never be my leader and will never be my leader by the grace of God, because I am a caretaker, a fellow caretaker like you guys, okay? Sent by the same landlord, I mean God, to represent him. So, I love that. I love that. You guys should not travel. I mean, as far as you are a politician, you are holding a government office, you're doing something in that country. If you are sick, you should call your doctor from abroad to come and treat you in your bedroom. You should not travel to your doctor. In short, President Muhammadu Buhari, thank you for just this one. Hold back your cabinet, everybody that is working with you. They all have to stand with you. Not now that Ruga has come now, so want to fly to go and seek refuge. After I don't drive people like us come out, now I want to run. Stay there, America. God bless you guys for accepting it and signing it. Donald Trump, may you live long in your seat, man. Yeah, you are a good man, and God will be your strength. Those in government, there in Nigeria, they don't have any right to travel. They don't have any right to travel. They should remain there and face their stupid atrocity. Yes, now. They should remain there and face their atrocity, eh? After you cause damages to the less privileged ones, you said you want to fly out of the country. You're running away. You want to go and seek refuge. No. Anyway, it's a short video like I said before. And I'm happy for seeing that news. That some 9 Nigerians, other politicians or something, I don't care to know. But as far as they mentioned 9, and they are top people in Nigeria, they didn't allow them to enter. In short, I think they even went there with their own personal private jet. Because the private jet should be able to take them back instantly. They were not allowed to go into America. Yes, if you are having an office there in Nigeria as a government worker, no matter the part you are operating from, north, south, east, west, stay there and rule your country. If you are sick, your doctor should come and treat you there. Don't run to Europe. You are destroying your own land. You run into other people's land. Yeah, for the less privileged ones, God bless you guys. God bless you. I leave you guys now, okay? Yes, this is just the beginning. Nigerians, the stone will fall from those that destroy the country down to the low people. The low people, by God's grace, they will be saved in Jesus' mighty name. Amen. I, Kompasike, why the good caretaker said so, and so shall it be in the name of the landlord that sent me. Una good bye bye. Una good bye bye.